I am. Let's do this, bro.
Let's bring on our guest, man. Yes, sir, man. We got Greg's court himself. Greg in the building, man. Straight from Slovenia.
That's
What's
right.
good, Greg?
All good here. What's up?
Have you heard about Daniel Gafford possibly
I was
playing
just
with
about
you
to
guys?
ask that. Yeah, I was about to ask that.
What do you think about that?
It's kind of a funny story. I'm not sure if you're fully aware of it. I can show you some details.
Okay.
It was a time when our national team, I think it was a president and Luka Doncic father, Sasha, were just in Dallas, and they were having some meetings with the GMs of the Dallas and so on, and they just ran into Gafford in the parking lot. No, really. And Sasha, obviously the father of Luka, just said to the president of the national team here, what if we bring Gafford to the national team? I mean, yeah, we could, but we have to invite him to the meeting and so on. What kind of a meeting? He's here, right here in the parking lot. Come on. And actually, Sasha came to Gafford, talked with him about this opportunity for him. It could be a great opportunity also for him. And he said that he could consider playing for a Slovenian national team, but this summer he was having some arrangement with the training camp already, and he couldn't cancel it. So probably in this off-season, if he will be healthy and if he's going to be motivated enough, he'll probably play for Slovenian national team, yeah.
That's a good pickup. That's a nice pickup.
Absolutely.
Yeah, man.
I'm just wondering if Gafford or Lively would be a better fit.
I ain't going there. I ain't touching
I
that.
would took both of them.
Absolutely. There you go.
Yeah.
Wait, how many people can you have outside of your country on a team?
Just one.
Just one? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So that means go ahead. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I think this is enough. You know, if it's not a player from your country, it should be one player or none. Because right now here in Slovenia, we don't have any great players in the center position. Our biggest player is Žiga Dimec. He is a member of national team for 10 years, but no one else stepped up into the center position. No one, because we're just so limited at this position. So we have to fix it.
You sound like the Dallas Mavericks.
Yeah.